Ana utumi kyerɛ me bia afa so honhom ne honam fam da wo kasa na wa adwe sɛ wa ban aba na ne nananom kasa
abuza from mamu nyina makɔ aba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Ana utumi kyerɛ me bia afa so honhom ne honam fam da wo kasa na wa adwe sɛ wa ban aba na ne nananom kasa na wa hwɛ kasa mu yie na wo 2 years or 4 years ni 8 years no person nya nananom kasa tia wo hwɛ a wo be check fufuo ayi pomama na sene wo tentene every say kuro ne wo wura saa de person ni person nso me nipa te sɛ wa nanso minim nipa me ye ensu e Ghana ha nyina fo honim party edu party bi no entimi nhwa me obi amadwuma ana utumi kyerɛ me bibia afa so honhom ne honam fam saa de person ni person nso me nipa te sɛ wa nanso minim nipa me ye ensu e Ghana ha nyina no minim sɛ de wo mte ba bia na wo nim ani tell me kan sɛ wo bu nkrofo bi bo abewu dana
na kyerɛ nipa bi ho a omo ye amanyosem wade amu ye mu
ade atutu asem pese e kire se e na ya ban na wo so na wa ban na wo so wa ban no ye de Ghana hye ne nsa ye mfie 9 abro so mfie nwotwe ye de hye ne nsa keke Ghana nya ne de
enti na me sankrofo na omo kasa no ti se aban tie no obeye kwan na omo mfa so bia na
anu na me kire wo enta me ka so
Kwana papa ko tata na ya de o ma ni mo nyama ye na na mampanyu dia
money post say bam good board CEO o pese utu atemi didi ase ye sami janfi ba abontin be ka se na akufo ado abodam onim nyansa wa bodam o se na akufo ado mental issue or mental problem wa bodam NDC ba power pe ene ye hwe na atemi didi no so the way you did na akufo ado atem the way you dressing na akufo ado ene ye money post say bam CEO of Gold Board the whole Ghana sika no on order no when this wo person wo fight for atem didi wo say wo person wo fight say the way your young boys and young girls didi atem wo politics mu no wo person wo hwe na wutu ase but na wura fi say wona wo mo deda ai NDC post na no wo mo na atem didi no wo mo na wo mo de sha ase
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million satam 31 million so nka 300 and something million ai wakwa ne yama ne 5 million no de abeto nkyene di no asan fafom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto ayi kobi sa ya shisika no Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no wonwene hwe na so ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsemhunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Mama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ ke sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ ke nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ ke no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ ke na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene una wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we ya we nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wa de wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See we dey bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country that was I would to me was I mean, say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my account for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors most of my account for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to mutu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the John Dramani Mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they're kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey. Remona Chapa ya hyping say where you can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Nananom 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Nananom 1 for the first time. Nananom 1 I post. Oh yes, Nananom 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.